Welcome back friend. Today in this video I will show you that how platelets are seen in peripheral blood smear and how we can calculate manually platelets by the peripheral blood smear. At this point we have to drop the oil, cedar wood oil we will use, and we will see the platelets under 100x microscopy, means we will use the lens 100x. As you can see, the small dots, purple color small dots, these are the platelets that is seen in peripheral blood smear. Other are RBC, and the one cell that you are watching, that was white blood cell. Now you see these all purple dots are platelets only. Sometimes you will see little bigger size megakaryocytes also in peripheral smears, but mostly these platelets will be seen in normally these platelets are that we will see in peripheral blood smear. In zigzag position you have to move for 10 fields, and then you calculate in each field that how many platelets in. Then calculate each field platelets and write on one place. Now I will show you manually how we will calculate. First of all, as I told that 100x lens we will use, oil immersion field we will use, and then you write on paper 1 to 10, and then each field how many platelets you will count, write on that under each number. For example, in one position you saw 24, second position 17, third position 25, sixth position 30, 7 position 15, 8 position 19 platelets you saw, 9 position 25 platelets you saw, and 10 position 21 platelets you saw. Then make the total of these E10 fields, and it will come, for example it is coming 218, divide this by 10 and then it is coming 21.8. Now here how we will calculate the platelets. Whatever count you will get after the average of 10 field, then multiply that with 15,000. Means manually peripheral blood smear when we are calculating we will use the factor 15,000, and then we will get the our answer. Now for example, in this example as I told 21.8 came, 21.8 multiplied by 15,000, the answer is 3,27,000 per mm. That is platelets count that we got from 10 fields. So like that we will calculate 10 fields platelet count. Now as you know, or you should know, that normal platelets count range is how much. Normal platelets count are 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per mm cube. Normally these much, some places maybe you will see 1,50,000 to 4 lakh only, some places 1,50,000 to 450,000. So it depends, but this is the normal range for males and females in platelets. So these platelets was normal only, that an example I show. Now two terms are very important that are related to platelets, that just for knowledge I will mention in this video. For example, mostly in interviews or in vivas or in MCQs these terms will come that are related to platelet count: thrombocytopenia and thrombocytosis. Thrombocytopenia means if platelet count is lower than normal range, that will be thrombocytopenia. And second term is thrombocytosis. Thrombocytosis means if platelet count is more than normal range. And what was the normal range? As I told, if thrombocytopenia means if platelets count is less than 1,50,000, and thrombocytosis means if platelets are more than 4,50,000, that means thrombocytosis. So now I hope you understand how platelets seen under microscope and how we will calculate by peripheral smear. That was so easy also.